Alright, June 24th. It is raining because there's a storm in the Gulf, and unfortunately, the house is about ready to get flooded. As you can see, our neighbor's car is already flooded out in the street there. This is our driveway. That's our mailbox. That's the car pulled up as close as possible so it doesn't get underwater, but as you can see, there's standing water literally up to the front of the house. And there's more coming. On the way here, we ended up driving through puddles in the roads that were deep. Yeah, I knocked that spigot off there. Here comes a truck driving through.
Okay, well, we're good. All right. Look at the backyard.
I'm recording it right now. I'll walk back there.
The thing in the backyard is almost inside our house.
Right now, I just documented the front of the house.
Wow.
Well, the drainage ditch is back there. That thing is the only thing saving us at the moment.
No, look at it. Look at it. It's up to the tree.
Yeah, I know, but once that fills up, there's nothing we can do.
Well, it filled up.
Yeah, there's a drainage ditch behind the house. It's normally about 6 feet down, and that tree, as you can see the water running across. Let me step out, or at least poke my nose out.
Unreal.
But where that water is running back there, that's actually about 6 or 7 feet deep. It actually goes down, but it's filled up completely. That's my back fence underwater. It's just making its way up. Our umbrella's not helping. You know, it keeps up like this, and the house is going to be in the water. Neighbor's backyard is about the same.